Good evening, Sister Anne.
Good evening, Pastor Dippo.
Sister Anne, you know better than that, you know his father. Um,
How you doing?
I'm good, Sister Anne.
Raj, hold on. Raj, bring a chair for Father Dippo, please.
I have some good news and I have some bad news.
Afternoon, Pastor Dippo.
Thank you, young man. Sister Anne, I have some good news and some bad news. Um, when I went to Chilani and I was in the convention, I parked the bus outside, and when I come back, I saw the empty spot. Them steal the bus.
What are you really saying to me, Pastor?
No, no, no. Father. But what I'm saying is, them steal the bus. And when I went down to the Chilani police station and file a report, it took so long. The police there, my God, it took so long. Sister Anne, it's ridiculous the amount of things you have to go through just to make a report by the station.
Don't worry yourself. The bus fully comprehensive, don't? So you don't have to worry yourself. Don't it is fully comprehensive with the insurance?
Unfortunately, it's not comprehensive, no. It's registered in a third party. So I won't be getting a dime for it.
I think you have better sense than that. You don't know say anything in a third party do not work, especially in Jamaica. You ever see no third party win no election here? So how comes you make that a silly mistake?
But it's not my fault, because the insurance lady did not outline that to me. When I was down there, I thought she mean third party. I would get something or something.
So you give me the bad news. So what is the good news?
Oh, this is a good thing you remind me. Um, I'll get the opportunity to move on to a bigger church. The branch in Road River there. Yes, I'm getting that church now. So that's where I'll be heading. So that's one of the reasons I come to you too. So because Deacon Vassal is the one who's going to take over. And so maybe while I'm gone you can take Deacon Vassal's spot.
So you really decided to move, to make up your mind completely?
To be honest, Sister Anne, I'm really, really gonna miss you guys down by the church there. I really do, but I think this is what the Lord wants for me. Because there is something about that community where the Lord is telling me to go there and bring back the love in the community. You understand? You know, as a man of my stature and pedigree, I think I deserve a bigger congregation. So I think it's best I take on this new opportunity. But
Freeze somebody milk your time. The dog was barking earlier on. But anyway, now get into that then. Because your status is very...
well, you always have some you always have something in us, Sister Anne.
sometimes you
But
have to be humorous. Then look for you there.
yeah,
Yes.
yes, man. But anyways, I'll be running, I'll be running, so I'll see you. So what you could do, since I'm going away, right? Deacon Bussell will be taking the pastorate position. So you could probably take the deaconess position from Bussell.
Everybody have their role to play, and deacon vassal position is not my position. All right? I know where I stand.
Well, as I said before, take care of yourself. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to run, I see. So I'll see you.
One more thing before you leave. You see the chair them that you did bring to the church that you take off your veranda? I think when you're leaving, you should take them back with you.
Oh no, sir, that I won't be taking anything. That's not my character, you know. I won't be taking anything.
And you see the guitar that Deacon Vassal is playing? I know it is your guitar.
Huh?
You should take back that guitar because Deacon Vassal own up the guitar and I act like it is his own.
All right, Sister Anne. Feel free to just come and visit me any one of the Sundays. All right.
All
So
right.
I'll see you, and it was
Okay.
nice seeing you again. All right.
All right. Take care of yourself.
Yes, man. Take care. And remember, if you tell your boy that I leave. So you and
Well, the long way I go. Oh, no, if you come to your church. A long time you feel the long way I go.
Baker! Oi there! Sister Baker!
Yes, brother Bacchus.
Oh wait, you not change it.
Me just reach home.
If you just reach home because I was at church now, I was looking for you. And then them tell me say you're gone.
You know I have to prepare my Sunday dinner.
Yes, you know, that's why I did I look for your sister Baker. Because I want to tell you say I never cook nothing in the yard there. And I want to know if I could have get little bit from you.
Yes, you know, cause me just take off the pot off of the stove.
So invite me in, no man.
So come in, man.
Sure.
You can take a seat on the step.
Yes. Aye. Yes. So you say, Sister Baker, did you like the service today?
It was a lovely service.
Yes, man. Me I tell you, man, all when time Sister Pauline, me I tell you, man, how she did that getting us.
Can I tell you, and you know, sir, you didn't forgive Pastor role, Pastor Dacus, cause they can preach.
No, me can't preach, man, but you don't know how them they turn up ahead already, man. You see, because me never go Bible college, and that's why, you know. But remember, that is another reason why me actually come down here, Sister Baker. The new pastor is on his way.
So we get a new pastor again.
Yes, sister. We're getting a new pastor. And the new pastor, you see, I want you show him the ropes. Because what going to happen here? You see, what me I go plan for do, me I
So
go make him put you in the role where you become the secretary.
Oh, so basically I'm getting a position in the church.
Yes, sister. Me I make you get the role to take care of the money part.
The treasurer.
Right, sure. So you are going to handle the money. It's when you collect in the whole of the offering where God give you bless you with. You don't know if you do already. Just share it even and bless. Yeah?
Ah, boy, brother Dacus. You sure that's safe?
Don't worry about that, Sister Baker, man.
What do you mean? If you worry.
Easy, no, man. And my spot secured. Me are the deacon in the church, you know. My thing big. And you know me, I try to get a little space for. So you can come in and secure your little spot right with this. So nobody worry about nothing else, man. Just deal with it if you deal with and cut the thing right. And everybody will alright. But enough about that. What go on for the food?
The food, me tell us the food finish. Me take care of the stove.
So here. So after the food and we done eat and we full we belly and we laugh a little bit.
We can have little service.
I never did. Somebody a plan for going up because what you know, I did that one night, I could have wash off a little bit and then you don't know we do a little nice little thing there.
Easy yourself, man, brother Dacus. You know, look on the nice lovely service we have in church today. What are you talking about?
That don't have nothing to do with the service, cause you don't know we is human. And we have little well, so we need blessings, little blessings.
Ah, boy. You're putting me on the spot, you know.
Man, putting you on the spot, man. When no matter two talk about it. Here what? You see, Sister Priscilla, she is a very, very good singer, you know. And I want you to invite I'm going to invite her to church because I want Pastor to get her baptized. She seemed very interested. She has a beautiful voice and I want her to come on the church choir. So you see, anytime you see her, just lay it in her heart and tell her, say the Father has given you a word
Always
to
see her.
encourage her to come in a church. Alright?
I will.
Alright. Here what? Go and go look on the pot there, sure to look food till me come. Go and sit down here so look.
Alright, me I come.
Yes. Me nah go too tell no lie still, you know. Sister Baker no too can cook so wonderful, you know. But here what? Me can do better. Cause by the time me figure Sister Mary yard or Sister James yard down there, so people would done. So what am I supposed to do? Work with the one local food that me can eat and full me local belly. Plus, and that alone me I go get. You don't know what me I talk about. Yes, you don't know. Yes, man. And then, you know what me don't like about them church sisters and brothers in this church house? You know, say, Sister Baker wear the one dress. And the whole of them have problem with it. Me not no problem with it, you know. It smell good, it no smell bad. But everybody have a problem. So the one black dress she wear come to church every single day. Why they not have nothing else to chat about, you know?
So me love the flowers here, you see, Brother Deacon.
Fern. And a fern that?
No, Brother Deacon, you know, so long time my mother planted, you know. You see, I grew up in a tree, look, very nice.
Well, I hope it a go in a tree, you know, like a one parasite.
Which parasite, me love it, man.
Yeah,
But you know, say in a garden, you have all different type of flowers. Some you
That
can't
nice,
touch and some you can't touch. You know. Some you can't hold up and you can't to feel up this, you know, because maca, yeah, in maca. And you see it pretty?
Yeah. And that
Yeah.
mean I say anything we pretty so, you know, man, have some consequence. Nothing pretty stuff in nothing.
Me and me
You
fit
know,
tell you.
nature, anything too pretty a problem.
See there, look on it, see a little prickle and me prickle. You see prickle?
Yeah, man.
We Jamaican call it maca, you see it? And you have some with beautiful with bloom, but this one ain't a bloom.
Oh.
And you know, say some sitting poisonous.
Yeah,
Some,
man.
some rose poisonous and some pretty and everything glitter gold.
No, man, I know that,
So
man.
you know, say, me glad you come check me.
Oh, go on.
Me glad you come check me. You know, say me dress up. Are you me there come check, you know? I want
Eh.
me walk, you know, so me I sweat. Me say, Deacon Vassal. I hear something, you know. And then say Kiangala. But look here. You see, Father Dippo,
Mm-hmm.
a whole person in man at me here say man a go on with it now.
You are hear that now?
Don't laugh.
Oh, go on talk, because
Don't
trust
laugh.
me.
The man, me hear say the man a plan for take the things them out of the church and go farm one church for himself.
Eh.
You
Oh,
know,
yeah, say.
you know, I first I hear them argument.
Kind of hear like sitting through the grapevine, but why, you know, you're hard to believe, man. It's hard to believe, because that man that just go on to, me no know. Me just not feel saying I do all that something, because him too righteous, man, and everything, boy, you know, in a church, he belong to the church and whatever and so forth. Me not think him do then something.
Hmm?
No. Me not think,
You're not thinking you not
no, me not think so.
Well, they say believe kill and believe cure. This I not hear me here say. Because other day a man check me. A man and we have one little conversation. A man say everything in our church belongs to him. Because when him a jump and prance and start preach, him a preach, I work, him a work.
So, hold on there. But everything where is there is collection money, do everything. So how him figure claims nothing? Him can't claim nothing. Everything in there is his collection money. I'm sure that by it. So how comes he come by that him own them stuff? That don't make no sense to
The
him.
man say I work, him a work. He said when him in there, I jump up and I go on and I carry and he say I work, him a work. Brother Vassal,
Yeah.
me say me glad him a left, you know.
You glad?
Me glad him a left. Cause a long time you a deacon in a church. Long time. And you me not see which part you elevate. You just have your right there so and sometimes you have your like say, you're usher boy. Be glad him a leave.
Well, you know, now you put it that way there still, no, cause you really look upon it, you know, man, a long time, even before him come there, no. And me in charge of that and whatever, you know, but him just come and, you know, and over me and actually attack. For real, for real.
And him a hold you down in our church. Him. But only one thing me I tell you say, we have to watch him. Because if him fi take everything out of our church, I floor, I forgot sit on. It floor. The floor.
Why everything where you say, you know, it makes sense, but why it's just hard to see him as the person, but you know, we have to go really see what go on, because you know, things and things are missing out of the church still and so forth. But you know, it's just kinda hard to go pinpoint and say whatever.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
Hurry up and go back to your yard. Because me know say your yard is in front of the church.
Yeah.
So if father come to take anything, you can see him and stop him. Stand guard, watch him. Watch out for him.
Well, I don't know. But if in that man I met them move there is a very, very, very crafty man. But I'll keep an eye out still, because you know, I live right in front of the church.
Look here. The Bible say the arms of flesh will fail you. You dare not trust your one. Me not trust him, man. You hear me say? And number one, and if you think I don't remember which verse and which chapter, it is written in the same Bible. So you mustn't call no man father upon earth. And him just come round, and you can't even, if you ever make a mistake and say, Dipper, he said, no, put on my title. Give me my title, father, my name. I want to know how much pit he have. God is my father, so me say, take time and go on back to your yard. And go watch out for him. Me say, watch out for him. You know?
All right, sister, Ann, to be honest with you, I go do that. You know, me's a humble man and him suckle and so forth, but I go do what I say.
Remember, say Bible say, if you watch out for the false prophet them, and the false preacher them, and the false teacher them. You hear me, I tell you? All right. Me depend my P and my Q. And me use discernment. And discerning or discern what you want to call it, discern whatever, discern. So listen to me. All me I tell you say, go on back at your yard.
All right.
Look out for him.
Me I go do all that, but you know me already say, me's a man who not just jump and, you know, but, you know, you humble me. Me I go just watch and see what go on. You know, because you know me's a man who true to me word and how me stay and how me live in the church. So, you know, me humble already.
Me know you a long time, you know. And I know what you're capable of doing. You understand? Me don't know this, and you know the next thing too. You see bus, when you say they thief, church bus. Me hear say no go so a Clarendon, he have and him thiefy.
What you say?
Have a carrot school picnic.
A joke you make.
And I preach to you, you know. I tell you, see how me sweat. With underneath the chair, this, you see?
The bus, that a church bus, you say you hear it there, Clarendon, a carry school picnic?
A bus not missing.
Yes.
And when you say about the bus?
Says,
Me here saw him thief the bus. And telling us that thief, him thief from the church. And he there Clarendon, a carry school picnic.
wow, this is very serious.
And he charge it, and a free ma carry picnic them fine. The parents them have to pay him weekly.
This is very serious.
Okay.
All right, Sister Ann, anyway, let us keep an eye out. I keep an eye out here. All right?
All right.
So I'll see you, I don't know, in church. So, you know, let's just pray about it. All right?
Me I pray.
All right,
Because
sis.
God got expose him. God must expose him. Take time, go on.
All right.
Me I pray for
All right,
God
Sister Ann,
expose the
I
truth.
will follow up. All right, that is between us though. Okay?
Yes, the truth must come alive.
All right, that is between us. Father Dippo, Father Dippo, seriously? Get a chair, guitar, Where you go, Virgin? Where you go with them things there?
After all, Deacon Boss, why you coming at me like that?
What do you mean they come in? They cannot be taking out the things from the church, Virgin, and other things. Eh? It belongs to the church.
These belongs to the church. These belongs to me. I bought these personally out my pocket, Deacon. Don't you rank yourself with me, man.
Listen, man. Whatever you're taking, me sure say it belongs to the church, Virgin.
Listen, this is my guitar. This guitar is my guitar. These two chairs, me take them out from a veranda and bring come to the church as a little donation. I know that's me. I go move. Me have to take my chair with me.
You sure say you're there?
These two chairs belongs to me. Look,
You want to say bet a
Father,
collection money by them, yeah? You want to go and show us a collection money by anyway. Apart from this, other stuff in there I take out. You see, like how you're Jim Screechy right now when I go out and nobody not see you come out with the stuff them. Hold on there. Me go tell you say, right now say, certain things with the boss and certain things where you sell and certain things. Where the money there? Where the money there?
this is one of the reasons why I have to leave here, because I can't deal with people like a uno. My spirit cannot. God now come around me with people like a uno. So that's why me have to move.
Yeah.
As you see how you're coming at me now.
Yeah.
This is utter rankness, you know.
Yeah, but we have to know what go on because you can't go leave and we don't know what go on. Because remember, say things sell and things, whatever, we don't hear nothing about that. So right now, we want to know how that go. That for other things. Yeah, Jim Screech and leave, but we need to know what go on.
As a matter of fact, I told you already, when I went to convention in Trelawney, I parked the bus outside, and when I come out, I saw the empty spot. I did not sell any bus, and I did not steal a bus.
You know what? Me hear from good source. Said that the bus there, they are Clarendon. I run tours, a school picnic. You understand? So you hear what happen now? You see, in the church, you investigate and find out what go on. I'm sorry for you, dog. Me and mess up a pastor.
You know what, Deacon Wasso? If I was the same person that I was before I turned pastor, you could not stand in front of me and talk to me like this, you know. I wasn't a 87 back then, you know. I was a 95. So you could never stand in front of me like this and talk to me. But you say because I'm a changed man and I'm doing God's work, I'm just gonna go about my business. Because I say you and the rest of them people here, you know, let me keep my mouth.
Look here, Father, remember, you know, what I have to tell you, you know. When Jesus go, you know, Jesus bring two with him, a murderer and he bring a thief. You pick out your which one. You, go along.
Me pick up me and which
Pick
one?
out which one, yeah? Go along. All right.
All right, Sister Jones. Let's have a say, hi. Yeah, man, Sister Jones, them there. You see me? Closely in it coming. I think Richard's still over there, so you know. Him not so 100 pan him brain. Him slow a little bit, but no matter pay him no mind, you see, Pastor. And Sister Edna have one little thief in picnic over there, so he live. You know what I pay them no mind either. Ah, see what we are carrying come here. Ah, Sister Baker, man. Like we catch you up at the right time. How you doing, sister?
I'm fine.
Yes, sister. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, yes, man. I see you looking lovely as always. All right. So remember, me did tell you, say we have the new pastor coming. Well, he is here. Pastor. Pardon me, French. Father Dippo. Sister Baker. Father Dippo. Yes, man. She this is an upstanding citizen in the church, you see, in the community and all around. Trust me, when me tell her, say she's very reliable. Very, very reliable. Yes, I think it is even good. And a great idea to make her the treasurer for the church because she knows very well how to handle money. Trust me, I know. When you, in your absence, she was the person holding down the fort. Me and she holding down the fort. Yes? So, yeah. are recommending her for that position.
Well, as Brother Bacchus say is vouching for you, I will take his word for it. Because we don't want to give the cheese to the rat. You understand? So we need trustworthy people to deal with the financial aspect of the church. Because what we're trying to do, we're trying to build back the community.
Yes.
So we need the love of the people and the church and the community must live together. Right?
Yes.
So we're trying to bring it back together. That is what we're trying to do. Right? We're gonna have a wonderful, because we are trying to build the members them. So we're gonna have a wonderful time and a wonderful year this year. And we have sports day coming up next year, and we have a rally coming up in December. So we have to prepare for that. All right. So I'll see you on in
One next one I go.
so I'll see you in church on Sunday. All right. So it was a pleasure meeting you again, Sister Baker.
So I mean, I shake my hand. All right. Let us go further down, Papa.
And to tell you the truth, I have nothing to do with this. Alright? And you don't want. It's me alone. See how short Sister Baker just is. Eh? I want her to come in from over a yard and she have no iron over there. And we see. And we be the judge. And we see what I want. Just continue to watch, alright?
Sister Pat, lovely, lovely lady. Let me tell you about Sister Pat. Sister Tracy, yeah, you see the community on a whole, a beautiful community. Pastor, are the best community, the best church. May I tell you, say, no mix up and things that don't go on in the church. But, I'm going to introduce you to one Priscilla. Yes, this is the one we're going to check right now. I want to convince her to come into the church part. I want you to convince her. She have a beautiful voice, but she just refuse. But probably knows like why you are the new pastor. You might can just, give her a look word of encouragement and get her to come talk. Brother James live right across from her. You don't know. As we say, closely knit community. Sister Priscilla. Sister Priscilla. You're cleaning as always. Your man, let I introduce you to our new pastor. Very clean lady. Yeah, man. Very, very good.
I can see that, man. I can see that.
Very clean.
Hi.
Yes, man. Sister Priscilla, let me first and formally introduce you. I'm going to run and I'm introducing the new pastor to everybody. Because you know me know wish for everybody live already. But I tell him, say, you are not yet saved. And I hope, say, he can come in and actually just convince you to come serve the Lord as we all do. Yes? Now, without further ado, Sister Priscilla, let me introduce you to Pastor Dippo.
It's not Pastor Dippo, it's Father Dippo. Alright? Pastors is for the commoners.
My sincere apology.
It's okay. So Sister Priscilla, why you not saved?
You know, so one time I did a plan to say about me no bother. Because too much hypocrite and backbiter.
Hey! Sister Priscilla, man. This is not the time nor the place for that. The man ask you why you not saved. Leave church business out of this, Sister Priscilla. Him just come. Nobody pressure in ears.
I understand the frustrations.
Listen to me. You see the type of job we me do? Me couldn't plan to save it. Me can't save it, sir.
Sister Priscilla, I heard good things about you, I heard you have a very angelic voice. I don't mind you bless us with some of your kind words.
Pastor. Oh, Father Dippo.
Yes.
Me cannot sing, sir.
Well,
Hey! Devil
This,
is a liar.
you see that throat here? Full of cockroach. But if you know you carry one bacon to spray it for me, maybe you can sing. Me can't sing.
well, I don't like how you sound so about yourself. Just bless us with some
Well,
words. It's
Father
it's not the voice, just the words.
Okay, since as you insist. I wish song you want me to sing, sir, but me go sing in a one different way. Maybe you not understand the language yet.
I mean, you're the artist. Just bless us with any one of the kind.
Just sing, your sister.
All right.
All right, sister.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
God.
That was lovely. I just need to put little more words to it, and then we can we're gonna have choir practice maybe on a Tuesday. So on a Tuesday we can just adjust the voice for you. But that was
Do the
beautiful,
hypocrite
Sister
then.
Priscilla. That
Yes.
was beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna run. All right.
All right. Later.
Uno see that, hey, people, uno see that dirty deacon, Mr. Bacchus. I will never say deacon Bacchus. He's not him church member. People no look, him is a dirty, nasty hypocrite. But him care new pastor come to me and they come invite me. Invite me? Lord Jesus. Fi go get baptized. The whole of them are hypocrite in the church. Oh, Tada, a pity uno no know say. He have one thief in dry head, twin brother. Wicked, but me can't sing. All hypocrite. Hypocrite. He knows say me can't sing. And still gonna and tell new pastor about me can't sing. Come here, come fish me. Because hypocrite. Uno look. Uno we see what happen to him in the church. The whole of them are there with them one another. We know say me can't sing and care people come on me yard. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. When God hits you.